Krishna. What is karma? Karma refers to the principle of cause and effect, of action and reaction, that is said to govern the whole universe. So, when we do a particular action, it produces some reaction. In fact, Newton's law of motion, the third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. We could say it is a small subset of the broader law of action-reaction correlation. So, now specifically karma can refer to either the law of action and reaction, or it can also refer to the action that we do. So, we can say we are all under karma. That means we are all under the jurisdiction of the law of karma. So, there is a system of cosmic justice by which we get the due reactions to our actions. And just as in a state government, there is a system of justice by which wrongdoers are punished and those who live according to state laws are provided the necessary facilities. Similarly, within the broader universe, which is akin to universal government, there are laws, and these laws are what comprise the principle of karma. So, the actions that we do, they produce reactions. Good actions produce good reactions, bad actions produce bad reactions. We see this principle in nature: as you sow, so shall you reap. So, if we consider every action that we do to be like sowing a seed, then if we have sown the seeds of good actions, we get a good crop. If we have sown the seeds of bad actions, we get a bad harvest. And in this way, karma is what governs our action-reaction correlation. So, secondarily, karma can also refer to what we do. We should do good karma. That means that we should act rightly. We should not do wrong actions. So, if we do bad karma, then we will get bad reactions. That means if we do bad actions, we will get bad reactions. Conversationally, the word karma also has a third meaning, where sometimes it refers to the reactions that we are getting to our actions. So, sometimes some people, when they suffer, they say, it's just my karma coming to me. That means it is the karmic reactions, the reactions to the karma that I did in the past, that is coming to me. Some people have a particular interest in, say, some strange field such as some ancient art, and they may say, it's in my karma, it must be in my karma. That means I must have done something related with this in my past, because of which I have this interest. So, karma can broadly refer to three things: the system of action-reaction correlation that governs the universe, the specific actions that we do, and the reactions that we get. Thank you. Hare Krishna.